In this video, I'll be walking through my Shiny applications. And here is my first application. It's at the very beginning of the data visualization part. And in this Shiny, you can create some various kinds of plot to visualize the data. So let's start with the scatter plot. In this plot, if you're interested in visualizing the relationship between two numerical attributes, then you can choose the scatter plot. The points on the scatter plot represent individual data points, and the smooth line gives you an idea of the overall trend. And as you can see, there's a lot of outliers here that makes the points, they all stick to the corner of this plot. So we can drag to a conclusion that we have to do something to deal with these outliers in the following part. Yeah, and then we come to the pairwise plot part. Yeah, this part allows you to compare multiple attributes at once. You can select two or more attributes from the list on the left. The plot creates a matrix of scatter plots. You can quickly identify the correlations and patterns between different attributes. For example, this one, the video views for the last 30 days, and the lowest monthly earning one. Yeah, you can see they have a linear-like relationship between each other, in which we can study further into this. And then we come to the 2D density map. And this map is, you can understand the density of data points in a specific region of your data space. By selecting the X and the Y, you can create a heat map that shows the concentration of data points. And then we come to point density plot. The point density plot is similar to the former 2D density map, but provide a more granular view. Each point is plotted individually, and area with higher point concentration appear darker. This can be particularly useful for identifying some cluster and some outliers. And then come to the final part, a static mapping plot. It's designed to showcase the relationship between numerical attributes while adding a category factor. It's not really a category, but I make the numerical attribute into category, like here. So in this one, this the color is based on the categorical factor here. So you can explore how different categories interact with these data points. Come to the second Shiny app in my report. It's a Sandy pie chart. As you hover your mouse over the slices, you can see the exact count of YouTubers associated with this channel type. And by examining this chart, you can gain some insights into which channel category are most popular worldwide. For example, you can see entertainment and music and people, and then games, they are like most prevalent channel types worldwide. Here is the third Shiny application in my report. As you can see, you can select countries here, and you can see how many channels is falling into the specific categories here. I draw this plot is for content creators that they can draw their market strategies to better align with their local preferences. Yeah, this is the last part of the Shiny. You can select country here, and it will show a box plot of monthly earnings and categories. Yeah, you can see the median, the 1/4, the 3/4 here, and also some outliers. I think this one is a tool that for creators and analysts with the knowledge to make informed decision about content strategies or investment.